Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, pretty quiet day today. Not much happened today. It is possible though that this wave 2 pullback has started. That's what we talked about in the previous videos. I mentioned to you that we need minimally a break below that previous swing low here at 62,950 to get an indication that this wave 2 has finally started. We didn't get a sustained break, so yeah, it's pretty much hanging still in there. So, you know, it's possible that this wave 2 has started. That's currently the preferred scenario. I mean, that a top of sorts is in place. What I want to highlight is that this move up that started on Wednesday in 5 waves is likely complete. If that is wave 1 in yellow, which would lead to a wave 2 pullback and a higher low and then a rally afterwards. Or if that is a C wave rally in the white scenario, which consists of, which completes this A, B, C flat structure, and with that a B wave rally, and if it breaks down then, if that's this scenario or the other one, that's at the moment not clear. What will make it clear is the reaction of the price to the support area, if there is one or there isn't. So it is this 58,360 level, which to me is currently the main risk level, because this is a level that will divide between, or which is basically dividing between bullish momentum and bearish momentum. So that's the key level. As long as we're holding that, we could give the yellow count the benefit of the doubt. Below that level, yeah, it will be difficult for the bulls. So what's the yellow count anyway? The yellow count is our short-term bullish scenario, in which this entire correction that started in March, middle of March here at this third wave top, in which this entire correction is complete, or got completed in a wave 4 here on Wednesday, the 1st of May. Then we have this 5 wave move up, which could be wave 1 of this next move to the upside. Then a wave 2 pullback could be unfolding now. The support area is communicated, it's clear, it hasn't even changed from the previous video. And then a third wave rally from there could follow. The third wave would be normally the strongest wave in a cycle. Obviously, this is a pretty small wave degree, but it indicates that if we are holding support in this pullback zone, then the next rally should be quite aggressive. And then we can still watch for another 4-5 pattern, after which another deeper pullback should start, ideally also holding a higher low. And that would be the pathway to eventually like 90K plus. In a bearish scenario, short-term bearish only, not overall bearish, but short-term bearish, this correction never finished, this correction that started in March. And we are working still on this complex WXY structure. And the Y wave unfolds as an ABC pattern, A wave, B wave, C wave. And in this scenario, we have to expect a 5 wave decline, which would send the price below 58,360. So this is the key factor, the key level that will distinguish between bullish and bearish momentum. Essentially, what we could have seen today is the first wave down of this correction. Okay, so we could follow this as the yellow count for now, just to see if we can hold support, because this is the stress test for the bullish count. A wave down, possibly completed, might get a few more squiggles lower, but could actually be completed. Then a B wave rally. If that's the case, then we should see a bit of a sloppy increase now, a sloppy corrective rally, and then a C wave down could happen tomorrow or so. Okay, and then if that lands somewhere in the middle of this support area, perfect. If we then see some kind of a bullish reaction to that, even better. Yeah, it is possible from here still that we get one more high. So I just want to make sure that people aren't surprised. We talked about that one more extension higher earlier today. I did also post that earlier today on Twitter, X network. That was a post I made a few hours ago. If you're not following us here yet, feel free to do so. You get these additional updates. I did put it all in writing. These are sort of the updates that are also included in the gold membership, but obviously far more than that. Okay, so some of these short-term updates are also posted on Twitter, but way more are posted on Discord for our gold members. You can also sign up for our new WhatsApp channel for additional news and updates and, you know, info about live streams and everything. So yeah, feel free to check it out. But here you're always up to date also in between videos. Okay, now let's find the chart again because I've got too many open. No, this is boom. FET. Oh dear, where's my Bitcoin chart? If I can't find it, there you go. All right. Yeah, we could get that one more extension higher in wave 5. And this one more extension could send the price to 66,737. Why is that possible? Because we are moving to the upside in a diagonal pattern. And this 5th wave was quite short. It was, I think, you know, it was long enough to be valid and also reliable. But we could get one more high, no problem. And the decline looks corrective. So it could just be that it's forming like a larger 4th wave. We haven't even taken out that previous low really on a sustained basis. So just want to share with you, if we get one more high, then we just have to be a bit more patient, and we'll then, after that one more high, watch for that wave 2 pullback. Okay, so that's just something to consider. That's not anything to trade for, in my opinion, because it would literally probably just be one more high. And that's typically not really great in terms of reward and risk. But from here, from this region, ideally, you know, somewhere here, maybe after one more low, we would be looking at this B wave rally. Okay, if it's aggressive, it might be that 5th wave in blue, which is not anything different. It just means we get one more extension in the rally that started on Wednesday, the 1st of May. That's currently not expected, but obviously, you know, I need to make sure that you are well informed about the likely scenarios here. That's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.